Shri K. Venkat Reddy ji.
Thank you, sir. This is a subject regarding regional ring road to Hyderabad city, northern part. Request to exemption of land lack due to construction of ramps and trumpets at the junction point, sir. In this connection, I am requesting to, through you, sir, government of concerned minister, brought your some small scale industries, retail outlets comes under the landlocked portion, sir, where the trumpets are proposed at the junction in Bhuvnagiri headquarters, my conscience headquarters near Rayagiri village, sir. Further, by providing access from the existing state road to the landlocked portion with LVUP and VUP, wherever sufficient head is available at the trumpet portion. These small scale industries, retail outlets may be utilized for public purpose. Further, it is to inform that a rice mill and other industries also affecting, sir. My request through you, sir, if immediate attention is paid to the directions are issued to concerned officers of NHAI to exempt the above land like portion from the acquisition in the interest of livelihood of the local public, sir. Thank you very much.
హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, మా టుడే టుమారో యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ చూస్తున్నందుకు చాలా థ్యాంక్స్. మరిన్ని లేటెస్ట్ వీడియోస్ కోసం వెంటనే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అలాగే ఈ బెల్ ని కూడా రింగ్ చేసేయండి. మా నోటిఫికేషన్స్ అన్ని మీ మొబైల్లో వస్తాయి. అలాగే మా వీడియోస్ మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, నచ్చకపోతే కామెంట్ చేయండి.